Today on the Lazy Geckos,
what's the plan, guys?
we're doing some schooling at sea.
First up is your math exam.
Yep.
You should do great because you already learned everything.
Then we'll be setting sail for more Bahamas islands.
You have fun yet?
You'll find that it's not all fun and games out here.
We were coming up from the south and the winds were like coming like bad.
Ready? Let's do it.
Found a calm moment.
Yeah, I figured I should do it before the boat start.
The swell.
Yeah, just carry these 2 extra diesel cans, about 10 gallons of diesel, and then that usually makes up for the generator usage.
Oh, okay. So that's why you do that.
Yeah. And then that way, you know, both engines pull from, you know, each engine pulls from its own tank. This tank over here also feeds the generator, so by, you know, replacing it, the engines were pretty much, you know, equal.
Gotcha.
We have some weather coming in. It's like a low or something, and woke up this morning and we kind of wanted to time the tides to get back to Nassau. We have a marina booked at Nassau to get out of the weather, just so we can still get off the boat and everything. So we timed the tides to be able to get there around high tide, and it's like a mass exodus. We have like 12 boats around us all going towards Nassau, but all the marinas were booked. We found one luckily, but one of the issues that we've had with the boat is the solar. We didn't put the solar on before we left, and we knew that. With the new system, it has 9,000 watts. It has those 3 multi-pluses. They're multi-plus 3000s. There's 3 of them, and they themselves pull power. So, you know, if we have like full sun, we only have like 800 watts of solar on Calypso. If we have full sun, you know, it might break even. That doesn't work because, you know, when you're running AC at night or cooking or anything else, you know, it just pulls in the bank. So we're having to run the generator a lot. So when we talk about like bad weather and stuff like that, that's a concern of mine because I don't want to run the generator too much. You have these fast boats down here, and there's a fast boat over there waking us. But yeah, so I've been running the generator a lot, like 10 hours a day, and that's just not acceptable. So eventually it's gonna break or whatever. The last major thing to be able to do to Calypso is put a solar on. I'm telling you, man, I will put solar, as much solar as I can on this thing. There's not a lot of room for solar. The new Antares have like a longer top here, and there's more solar up there, but I don't really like that either. We'll figure it out, but we're gonna go back to Nassau today. We're gonna wait out this weather, and then we're gonna start moseying our way back to the States. Hurricane season's pretty much here. We'll just go back, we'll move slowly, island hop on our way back to the States, and then get back and refit, like with those other, do those couple little items like the solar, and then we should be good to go. Overall, it's been a pretty good shakedown. I mean, the system, the electrical system has been awesome. So that was the main thing. We knew about the solar. We knew that'd be an issue.
What's the plan, guys?
We're just talking. He's talking about how he's gonna work hard, and if this weather comes in, he's gonna have a chance to finish his school for the year and graduate in the Bahamas again, fist bump. And then he thinks he gets to play Fortnite.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I see.
So Reese graduated kindergarten in the Exumas. We just left the Exumas. We were going to do another graduation there, but weather's coming in. So he'll probably graduate in Nassau. But now he's graduating 3rd grade.
Wow, that's crazy.
Can you believe? Yeah, he's going to be a 4th grader. What?
I already got all your school stuff set up. We're going to go in there. We got 5 hours. We're going to do school for 5 hours.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
So while it's calm, we're going to do a little bit of school, knock it out. And then the weather's coming in, so I think we're going to go into a marina because of all these things that Jeremiah can tell you about. Generator, water maker, power issues. It's a disaster because it's a boat. So we're gonna hit up a marina for these storms, just because if anything goes wrong, we will apparently be dead in the water floating. You should just name it Dead in the water floating. Or we should just be dead in the water floating and we can name that.
That's the name of the video. Dead in the water floating.
Yeah. Alright, let's go do school.
Bye. Nice hanging out with you, Reese.
Reese has been homeschooled since schooling began. It's a great option for kids on a cruising boat. Now with Starlink, the options are endless.
First up is your math exam.
Yep.
You should do great because you already learned everything.
Yep.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks.
We got through science. We're both feeling a little seasick.
Yep.
So we'll continue on with, no, we got through math. We started science, started feeling seasick. So we'll finish science when we stop. A little later. Good job on your exam. You got 100%. High five. You gonna play some Marines?
Yeah, they're gonna be guarding me as I eat lunch.
Oh, nice. What are you having for lunch?
Beef franks and chicken nuggets, also known as piece of bacon.
Very nice. And I'm gonna sneak a vegetable in there, like a carrot or cucumbers or something. Or butternut squash.
I prefer carrot.
Okay. Let's check in with the crew outside. You have fun yet?
No, not fun at all.
So the weather was right this time.
So far.
Yep. Pretty awful.
Coming up north because we're trying to get away from the weather. It's coming in and it was supposed to kick up to 15 knots around noon and it's 16 knots.
Pretty spot on.
Yeah, 15 now. So yeah, but the thing is, it's only 18 feet, so it's just choppy. And of course, it's always from like 50 degrees. Always.
Lots of positivity going on over here.
Yeah.
So when we pull into a marina, I guess you'll probably catch up on videos because you've only been doing 2 a month
Yeah.
while we've been out here.
Yeah, I'll do a couple videos. That'll be good. Reach will finish up this school.
Got a seasick little baby over there. Whew. I'm gonna go lay down either way. 'Cause I feel pretty seasick. So this is what gets me, this or this. So when we're bouncing around and I'm going up and down here, I tend to catch it.
Getting around the boat while on passage can be a little daunting, that's for sure. I'm off to cool down in the only room with AC at the moment. We run the AC for Bryn's nap, which is perfect for Mama too.
That's pretty rough.
Miserable. We were coming up from the south and the winds were like coming like bad, 20 knots, 22, whatever. So instead of coming in like this, the waves were like this, so I had to come up and then pinch over. So we're pinched over into Nassau now.
Gonna go up and do the deck?
Yeah, so I'll go up, if you can hit the helm, I'll go do the deck.
Yeah.
That should be fine. I don't want to hit that 4-foot thing. I want to go right through there.
Okay.
Alright. There's a 3-foot thing here, but I don't think that's kind of confusing. Yeah, you good? Pay attention because there's some shallow spots. It's port side, right?
Yeah. Stern in, so that means a longer line on your stern. So last night I got news that my cousin passed away. She's the same age as me. We were really close when we were little. We weren't so close as adults. I think she went down a path of drugs and alcohol. So her and I would try to be there for her, but she had a real problem, I think, just with my life. Like I had kids and this type of thing, and she was stuck in that rut, which is, sad. And I think, it finally did its toll on her, mixing the wrong stuff. So we haven't been close over the years. We had a falling out. We were not connecting well. but that's, you know, something you deal with out here. When you lose a family member, it's like now you're out here, we're in bad weather, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get back. It happened to me, it's happened a few times. My grandfather passing away, I lost another cousin a year ago to drug and alcohol addiction. So, you know, it's difficult when you're out here, you can't get in there and you lose a family member. I'm sure it happens all the time to many people. So I just am kind of laying in bed and thinking about that all day and just enjoying the good memories. It's nice, a lot of times I'll just take the helm and he'll set up the deck for me. It's very hard when we get in there and we're about to pull into a marina and it's like nothing's set up and I'm running around like a crazy person, because it takes time to get all this stuff set up. All the glasses came out of there. One of them, they all landed here. One ended up breaking. So I rolled up the carpet. Nobody gets glass in their foot, and I put the rest of the stuff in there that fell. It's under there. And then broken glass in the trash. It also flew in his room.
Coming up,
Called around, there really wasn't a lot of availability.
we're waiting out a low with Captain Ron.
Oh gosh.
Then I'll finally get that bikini haul going.
Dark royal blue. So how was the oil? Good?
All before Jeremiah gets the checks completed and we go cruising again.
Oh man. Oh jeez.
We're taking you to a sweet spot where we'll put out some toys and dive on a shipwreck.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.